In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Vansah with Jira. To get started, open Jira and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Apps. This is where Jira lets you discover and manage connected tools and extensions. From there, select Explore More Apps. This will open the Atlassian Marketplace area, where you can search for add-ons that work with Jira. In the search bar, type Vansah Test Management for Jira, then press Enter to bring up the results. When you see the Vansah app, open it and click Try it for free. Next, you will be asked to choose an edition. You can select either Standard or Advanced, depending on the features you want for your team. After choosing the edition, click Review, and then click Start Free Trial. At this point, Jira will begin installing the app. This can take a little time, so just wait for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, refresh the page. After the refresh, you should now see Vansah listed under the Apps section. Now, open the Vansah app and click Configure. In the configuration area, find Default Behavior and click Enable. This activates the default setup so Vansah can begin working properly inside your Jira environment. After that, open the Jira project where you want to use Vansah. Inside the project, you should now see Vansah listed in the project navigation. Click the three dots next to it, then choose either Space Settings or Project Settings, depending on what appears in your version. Once you are there, click Apps, and under the Apps section, select Vansah Project Settings. Inside the project settings, you can customize several useful options. Under Test Case Status, you are able to change the colors to match your workflow and make statuses easier to recognize at a glance. Then move to the Permissions tab here. You can choose the appropriate permission settings for your team. In the Choose Group field, select the group you want. Then review the available options and apply the one that fits your needs. Next, open the Miscellaneous tab. If components, labels, quick test, or epics are not enabled, click next to them to turn them on. These options can help improve how you organize and manage testing within the project. Finally, go back to your project and click Vansah. You will now see the main areas of the tool, including Overview, Test Cases, Test Runs, Test Plans, and Reports. That means the integration is complete and ready to use. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.